Did you know that every year your savings lose value without you even noticing? Imagine working hard, saving diligently, only to realize that your 100 euros today might only buy you 98 euros worth of goods next year. This invisible thief is called inflation, and it's quietly eroding your wealth. In this video, we'll explore why relying solely on saving is no longer enough to secure your financial future. Instead, investing offers a way to grow your money, make it work for you, and unlock long-term financial freedom. Whether you're new to investing or skeptical about its risks, this is your chance to discover how even small, consistent steps can lead to significant wealth. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Saving money might feel safe, but in reality, it's a slow path to losing wealth. The problem? Inflation. This silent force increases the cost of goods and services over time, while your money in a savings account often remains stagnant. For example, if inflation averages 2% annually, 10,000 euros today will have the purchasing power of just 9,800 euros in a year. Even with a minimal interest rate, your savings can't keep up. Adding to the problem, banks currently offer historically low interest rates, sometimes as low as 0.1%. This means that while your money may seem secure in a savings account, it's quietly losing value every year. The bottom line? Saving alone is no longer a reliable strategy for growing your wealth. If you want to stay ahead of inflation and build financial security, you need a smarter approach, one that allows your money to grow instead of shrink. What if your money could work for you instead of you working for money? This is the fundamental advantage of investing. It transforms your savings into a tool for creating wealth. Unlike saving, which merely preserves what you've earned, investing allows your money to grow over time, often exponentially. The key lies in compound growth, often called the eighth wonder of the world. When you invest, your returns generate additional returns, creating a snowball effect. For example, a modest 500 euro investment each month, earning an average return of 6% annually, could grow to over 200,000 euros in just 20 years. Beyond wealth growth, investing is a pathway to financial independence. This doesn't mean buying yachts or mansions. It means having the freedom to make choices without worrying about money. Whether it's reducing your work hours, funding your children's education, or taking dream vacations, financial independence unlocks possibilities. What makes investing even more powerful is its accessibility. With the right strategies, tools, and discipline, anyone, regardless of income or financial knowledge, can start investing. While saving protects your wealth from shrinking, investing allows it to expand. If you're ready to build a secure future and create opportunities, investing is the way forward. Investing offers far more than just growing your money. It provides opportunities for freedom, security, and long-term wealth. Unlike saving, which often leaves you battling inflation, investing can deliver returns that outpace it, allowing your wealth to grow consistently over time. One major advantage is higher returns. While a savings account might offer 0.1% interest, a well-constructed investment portfolio could earn 4 to 7% annually. Over time, this difference is enormous. Imagine having 10,000 euros in savings versus 10,000 euros invested. After 10 years, that invested amount could double, while your savings would barely grow. Another benefit is the potential for passive income. By investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, you can earn dividends, interest, or rental income without additional effort. This extra income can fund your lifestyle, cover unexpected costs, or be reinvested for even greater growth. Most importantly, investing gives you freedom of choice. For many, the idea of investing feels risky. Fears of losing money, market crashes, and the unpredictability of returns often hold people back. But here's the truth. With the right approach, these risks can be minimized, and the rewards can far outweigh the fears. One common fear is loss aversion, the tendency to focus on the possibility of losing money rather than the opportunity to grow wealth. While market fluctuations are inevitable, history shows that markets recover over time. In the past 100 years, even after major crashes, markets have consistently bounced back, often within 1 to 2 years. Another major risk stems from emotional decision-making, such as selling in panic during a downturn or buying during a hype like Bitcoin's 2018 boom. Successful investing requires discipline and logic. Strategies like diversification, which spreads investments across different assets, reduce the impact of losses. The solution to most investment fears is knowledge and preparation. Understand your investments, focus on the long term, and avoid impulsive actions. By automating investments and staying committed, you can ride out short-term volatility and enjoy steady growth. A low-risk investment portfolio is key to growing your wealth while minimizing potential losses. The first step is long-term investing. Time reduces risk as markets tend to recover and grow over the years. A horizon of 10 years or more allows you to weather economic fluctuations. Diversification is equally crucial. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even different industries, you reduce the impact of a poor-performing asset. Finally, automation simplifies the process. Setting up monthly contributions ensures consistent growth. If investing doesn't feel right for you, there are other smart ways to grow your financial stability. One option is paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards or personal loans. Eliminating debt with a 5% interest rate, for example, is like earning a guaranteed 5% return. Another alternative is investing in yourself. Spend money on courses, books, or skills that can increase your earning potential over time. Finally, consider starting a business. While it involves more effort and risk, a successful venture can provide substantial returns and personal satisfaction. These alternatives can complement or substitute investing to secure your financial future. Take action today and start building the life you deserve. What are your thoughts on investing versus saving? Have you started investing, or are you still exploring your options? Share your experiences, questions, or goals in the comments or with your community. Let's learn from each other's successes and challenges, because together, we can achieve financial freedom.